Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Subnautica 2 and your game keeps crashing, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Subnautica 2 crashing on your computer easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that your graphic card's drivers are fully up to date. So you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go on to NVIDIA GPU here. If you have an NVIDIA card, I'll show you Intel and AMD afterwards. Click on to drivers here. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form, then click on to find them, and it will look for the correct GeForce Game Ready driver for your card. And once it's done, you can download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready drivers. And now onto Intel, go on to intel.com. You're going to click on to support here and then click on to download center. You're going to click on to graphics here, click on to here and then search for your graphics card here and then download the latest Intel Arc drivers on your computer. And now AMD, you're going to go on to AMD.com, click on to resources and support, Raviston. You're going to click onto graphics, Radeon RX, select your graphics card series and then model, click submit, then click your operating system and download the latest AMD adrenaline drivers, and you can try and check if that fixes your issue. If it doesn't, then the next thing you can try for AMD cards is you're going to scroll down here, click on to previous versions. You're going to go onto your operating system and you're going to download this 26.3.1 driver on your computer. People have reported that this driver works better on Subnautica 2. So try to download this driver and install it on your computer. And you can now try and check if that fixes your issue. It most definitely would have. Now you're going to open up your games platform. You're going to right click on Subnautica 2, go into properties, install files, and then click verify integrity of game files here. And once it's done with that, now you can go ahead and try to play your game, and you'll see that your game will now work, will not face those crashes anymore. So the edges, guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.